Welcome to Picnie. Today's major update introduces our groundbreaking feature, the Template Editor. This powerful tool empowers you to customize any template with your brand colors and logo, making it a breeze to generate countless images at scale. Let's get started by logging into the Picnie dashboard. You have the option to use your email and password or simply use the Google login for added convenience. Once you're in, either select an existing project or create a new one from the list. While Picnie offers several amazing tools, we'll focus on the image generation tool for this walkthrough. Click on it to explore its capabilities. Inside the image generation tool, you'll discover an impressive array of stunning templates. We'll see both the option of customizing the existing template and creating the new template. Let's pick this template from the selection and let's dive into customizing the chosen template. To begin, click on a text element within the template, and the left sidebar will unveil a range of options for that specific text. One of the exciting features is the ability to change the font family effortlessly. Just browse the available fonts and select the one that best represents your brand. If you have a specific font family in mind that isn't in the list, don't worry, the Picnie team is ready to assist. Contact them, and they'll gladly add it for you. Now, let's enhance another text element by changing its color. You have two options here: either pick a color from the panel or enter the color hash code directly into the field. Aligning the text is a breeze, with options for left, center, right, and justified alignment. For even more convenience, direct buttons allow you to quickly align the text horizontally and vertically. Feel free to add more text fields as needed. Simply click on the background, then add the text from the left sidebar. You'll find the default text is already available for you to modify. If you want to duplicate or remove text fields, the corresponding buttons make the process a snap. To elevate your design further, incorporate images into the template. Use the image option from the left sidebar, and you can either upload images from your device or choose from the media library. The library allows you to store and access images for future use. Once added, you can easily reposition and resize the images, all thanks to the intuitive controls. In case you make a mistake, no worries, the undo feature has you covered. Additionally, the activity list enables you to revisit previous versions of your template and restore them if needed. The right side panel displays the layers, providing you with efficient management of elements. While the background cannot be edited directly, you can create a new template with a different background image. The layers also allow you to hide, view, lock, remove, and adjust the z-index of elements, enabling you to fine-tune your design with ease. Once you are satisfied with your customized template, save it with a suitable name. After saving, you can continue editing or navigate to the image generation dashboard. The image generation dashboard showcases your created templates, which are private and visible only to you. Now, it's time to generate images. You have multiple options to choose from: the no-code tool for simple generation, CSV bulk images generation, Google Sheets integration, and API reference for more advanced usage. Let's explore how to create a new template using the Picnie platform. To begin, navigate back to the Templates page and click on the New Template button, which will open the template editor, providing you with various options. Option 1, you can easily upload your own background image or select one from the media library. Uploading your background image is as simple as it gets. Option 2, alternatively, you can choose a template from the extensive template library. Browse through the existing templates, apply filters, and select the one that suits your needs. After selecting a template, you have the flexibility to edit it to meet your specific requirements. You can customize various elements, such as text, colors, and images, to align perfectly with your brand. You also have the option to use your previously created templates from the My Templates section. Option 3, if you prefer a background color without an image, you can either enter a color hash code or select a color from the panel. Flexibility extends to adjusting the width and height of the background as well. Now, let's move forward with the template that already has an uploaded background image. Begin by adding a text field with your preferred text. Customize the font family as needed and set the position of this text field accordingly. To maintain consistency, duplicate the text field and modify the text as required. Next, it's time to add your brand logo. Simply upload the logo and adjust its size and position on the template. Once you've fine-tuned your template to your satisfaction, save it with an appropriate name. You can then return to the dashboard's templates page, where you'll find your newly created template, ready for further actions. Now, with your customized template in hand, you can generate images. This is where the true power of Picnie shines. You have multiple options for image generation, including the no-code tool for straightforward generation, CSV bulk image generation, Google Sheets integration, and APIs for more advanced usage. As you progress, you'll find that you can modify all dynamic fields of the template using automation tools, making your workflow even more efficient. After generating the image, you can use various integration options available for seamless workflow management. And stay tuned, as Picnie plans to roll out more integrations to make your experience even smoother. We hope this walkthrough has provided valuable insights into using the template editor. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Picnie team. Thank you for joining this walkthrough, and we hope you enjoy using the template editor to create stunning images with ease.